Think you know everything about bulldozers? Here are 5 facts that will absolutely stop your scroll. Like and subscribe right now. Help us crush that construction goal. Let's get to the construction secrets. First, original name. It meant forceful threat in the 1800s. Second, superdozer. The D575A weighs 150 tons, seriously huge. Third, U-blade purpose. Its curved shape maximizes material pushed, smart engineering. Fourth, WWWI essential. Cleared landing zones for the troops, military power. Fifth, modern GPS. Millimeter precision grading reduces sight errors significantly. Which massive machine fact surprised you most? Comment below.